how can you train a legato in the form of pizzicato? Now we have these legatos here, and when we have added it to our playing, it made everything go awry. We had the fingerings down, but when we added those 4 slurs, things didn't go so smoothly. If you train your pizzicato like this, with a very uniform, and then you leave this form of pizzicato where you end on the next string like this, then that can be considered a sort of legato pizzicato. And I'll demonstrate. Nice and separate, as if they're separate bows. See the motion? But now we need to make a division in our right hand to understand that the motion will be more connected. It'll be more of a through motion. And so for every legato marking, I'm going to allow the finger to touch the next string over in a sideways motion. So now I can train in my brain, before I pick up the bow, the legato in the form of pizzicato, like this. It's up, and then I'm pulling. See how I'm landing there? Then it's up, and then it's really easy here, because it's a continuous motion. Learn to do that. Play with continuous motion. Up, continue, hitting the C, continue, pull through, pull through. You will be able to train much better for when the fingers need to learn this motion. Your brain starts to realize those 2 notes are connected. It's a through feeling. And that's a way you can train a legato with your pizzicato.